Okay, so this is a little remote control circuit I made. It's just basically an oscillator with an antenna. There's 20 turns, 50 turns. There's a small capacitor right here to the grid, and a 1 mega ohm resistor from the grid to the plate. Runs on about 120 volts. I think I've shown this in other videos too. And I kind of made this into a little remote control circuit by having a little AM receiver and having the output that would usually go into a speaker go into a transformer that is 10 to 1, so it makes the voltage coming out 10 times stronger. Then I connected it to an LED, and let's see if when I key this, that LED will glow brighter. First off, let me show you another thing which I was working on. This is a new tube power supply I made. If you saw my old one, like in the music transmitter video, you might have saw that it looked a little dangerous. But I put all of that into this box, and I made it way more clean. I must have made the old power supply like 2 or 3 years ago, but I made this one, and I won't show you the inside, but it is way better than the other one. I also added some light bulbs for the to ballast the filament transformer, because it turns out that the transformer puts out way more current than it should. So I have settings. I have 7 watts, 30 watts, and full current. But for this tiny tube, I only need a couple of watts. So this controls the filament. This is a little rheostat in series with the high voltage. And here's a little switch with a neon to tell me when there's high voltage. If I turn this on, it turns on. Now if I key this, it lights up. And I thought that was pretty neat. And the neat thing was that it has to be tuned to a specific station, not like the earlier ones. There goes the clock still running. And if I change the capacitor, see, it doesn't go anymore. But if I tune it again, it's much brighter. So that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching.